Tripura human rights organization staged protest in the capital city Agartala in order to protest against the killing of Father Swamy. Tripura human rights organization alleged that the religious priest and human rights defender Father Swamy was killed in a premeditated detention without any trial. Father Swamy's murder is a microcosm of the not so slow murder of Indian democracy. The excruciating, slow-motion custodial murder of 84-year-old Father Swamy, a Jesuit priest who spent decades of his life in the service of India's dispossessed, took place in the show window of our democracy. Our judiciary, police, intelligence services and prison system are responsible for this. Our mainstream media too. All of them were aware of the case and of his failing health, and yet he continued to be ground down. A silent protest was organized by the human rights organization on Monday. Addressing on this issue, Purushottam Roy Burman, secretary of the Tripura Human Rights Organization and eminent lawyer, said Swamy, an 84-year-old priest activist arrested under an anti-terror law in the Elgar Parishad case, died in the middle of his fight for bail on health grounds. But there was no conclusive proof of his medical ailments, which proves that he was tortured to death in a premeditated murder conspiracy. Prominent social activist Purushottam Roy Burman demanded a proper investigation to this case. He said that the central and state governments, with the help of black laws, are harassing the human rights activists, political activists, by arresting them in false cases and even killing them in a planned manner. Purushottam Roy Burman added that an undeclared state of emergency is going on in the entire country.
আমরা ত্রিপুরা হিউম্যান রাইটস অর্গানাইজেশন আজকে এখানে দাঁড়িয়ে নীরব প্রতিবাদ করছি। ফাদার স্বামী একজন জেসুইট যাজক, তাকে যেভাবে বিচারাধীন অবস্থায় বিনা চিকিৎসায় তাকে খুন করা হলো, এর প্রতিবাদে আমরা মনে করি ফাদার স্বামীর মৃত্যু একটি রাষ্ট্রীয় সন্ত্রাস, রাষ্ট্রীয় হত্যা। তাকে মিথ্যা মামলায় জড়িয়ে আইনে আটক করে 84 বছরের একজন মানুষকে খুন করা হয়েছে। আমরা নিন্দা করছি, এই ঘটনার তদন্ত দাবি করছি। আমরা এখান থেকে দাঁড়িয়ে দাবি করছি সমস্ত রাজনৈতিক বন্দীকে মুক্তি দিতে হবে। বেআইনি কার্যকলাপ প্রতিরোধ আইন, আনলফুল অ্যাক্টিভিটিস প্রিভেনশন অ্যাক্ট, যেটা একটি কালো কানুন, এটা বাতিল করতে হবে।
The human rights organization Tripura State Committee strongly condemned the murder of Father Swamy and demanded a high-level investigation into the incident. Bureau Report, Hallabol.